Cars are getting smarter and smarter these days, and the innovation will continue whether we like it or not. And this so-called car tech is slowly made available to value pack cars. And yes, including even entry-level automobiles. And one of this car technology is Apple CarPlay. Good day! Welcome back to my channel, Chill Limited Life, and today we will review the Apple CarPlay. And I will use the 2021 Honda City infotainment system for our hands-on review. I'll show you some actual videos on how to navigate the CarPlay. But before we start, eto muna. CarPlay is a smarter, safer way to use your iPhone while you drive. You can get directions, make calls, send and receive messages, and enjoy your favorite music, all on your car's built-in display. It is available on all iPhone models beginning with iPhone 5, running iOS 7.1 or later. Audio primarily provide audio content such as music or podcast. Examples are Amazon Music, Audible, Google Play Music, iHeartRadio, QQ Music, Spotify, and Overcast. Navigation, turn-by-turn guidance including searching for points of interest and navigating to a destination. Examples are AutoNavi, Google Maps, and Waze. Messaging. Listen to new messages and reply using dictation in an audio-only interface. Examples are Telegram, WhatsApp, and Zoom. Hey Siri,
Hello there. How can I help?
please play your universe.
Now playing Your Universe by Rico Blanco.
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with?
Hey Siri,
Hello. How can I help?
please play How to Save a Life.
How to Save a Life, new version by the Fray Now Playing.
Step one, you say.
Hey Siri,
Hello there. How can I help?
please read my new message.
Chandler Minute sent a new message. As we end this challenging year, we're thankful for the meaningful moments we shared together. We wish you and your loved ones good tidings, peace, and a celebration filled with warmth and joy. Happy holidays. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Thank you.
Your reply to Chan Limited says thank you. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent. Okay, that's everything.
Hey Siri,
Hi there. What can I do for you?
direction to the nearest Jollibee.
The closest one I see is Jollibee in Binnen City. Let me know if you want to hear the whole list.
That was few sample videos only. You can also make calls via CarPlay and adjust your climate controller radio depende yon sa model ng kotse. Meron ring CarPlay ng wireless so no need mo nang gumamit ng cable. Again, depende sa car model. The goal of this technology is to make our drive safer, eyes on the road, and hands on the steering wheel. That's the main point of using CarPlay. So make sure you're familiar with the car voice command button sa steering wheel to activate Siri and para makapagbigay ka ng command. Is it reliable? Well, it's decent. Minsan good but not always accurate. Depends on your internet connection and your English. There are limitations but it really helps most of the time. So ayun. That's our review of 2021 Honda City Apple CarPlay. Hope na makatulong tong video na to. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions, comment lang kayo below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Chan Limited Life, for more content and more videos. Drive safely. Ingat!